You can smell these. Look, smell them. Just smell them. Definitely smell like Foot Locker. Oh my God. This is part 4 of my sneaker haul, man. I went crazy. This is only the beginning, so don't despise all beginnings. What's going on, my people? Right now, you locked in with Forever Him, so you know we locked in. Appreciate y'all for locking in today, man. If you're new to Forever Him, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you like content like this. You don't know by the title what this video is. I don't know until I open this box. By the box, yeah, this is a pickup. I think that a dub that I scored off of my card. When I see steals, I just can't pass it. I'm sorry. Like, unless it's just trash, I can pass it. But when it's stuff that I love and stuff I missed out on, I cannot pass it. I'm sorry. I passed up on these when these released. As you know by the title, these are the Jordan Bug Bunny 8s. By the box, I get this in my card pickup. These still on some sites for $2.15. They had one on sale. Some sites you can get them on a discount for like 20% off. But I got these for a steal. I got these for $135. You cannot beat it. Don't tell me. When I tell you I jumped on this like flats on a turd, you hear me? So I'm so ready to see these, like, you feel me? So this is my real reaction. I do know what they are from the label on the box, but as far as seeing these, this is my first reaction of seeing these. Pictures looked amazing. They brand new. I honestly thought it was gonna be, you know, some of them foo-foos. So I was kind of skeptical, but you know, but the listing had said 100% authentic, and it was a high seller on there. Like he was a star seller. Like he had like over 3,000 or 4,000 sales and stars. So this here is a size 12. It reads Air Jordan 8 Retro, white, black, true red. So you know these are Bugs Bunnies, size 12. So you know these for him. Regular Jordan box, y'all already know. Y'all seen plenty of reviews of this, so I ain't got to do all that. From the smell of the sneaker, look at the sneaker, everything. You just know that fresh, like, oh, that smell just had you in love. Like, oh, it make dopamine shoot all through your head. Like, you feel me? And make you buy more shoes. Sorry. These the Jordan 8 Bugs Bunnies. I'm so glad. I still got the old pair, but they actually too big, so I need to sell those. A lot of my Jordan 8s that I was buying years prior was in a 13. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, I used to be so desperate for sneakers. Like, I was just buying a whole size bigger, and they was kind of fitting. I don't know what's going on. Like, the old sneakers wasn't as, I don't know, like they making these bigger, so now you can go down. I don't know. Y'all let me know if am I tripping. I was getting size 13s, and now I wear a size 11 in certain silhouettes, 11 and a half definitely, and a 12. So I've always been copping size 12s, but sometimes we'll cop a 13, especially if it had a sock liner inside. Like, you feel me? So with size 12, I'm pretty sure these gonna feel amazing. Like I would say, go true to size. You feel me? Y'all know what the Bugs Bunny 8s look like. Got your white. Hopefully that the camera is picking it up. I know the exposure going crazy because this is a white, so it automatically give off light as the natural light and stuff hitting it off in this room. But you got your black sock liner, you got your white laces. You feel me? Classic. You got your straps, 2-3 on the strap. Like, you feel me? Red lace type of pulls. Got your black straps going around. These definitely OG. Got your bottoms. And it's a simple color sneaker. You got your metallic, dark gray, choco gray type, metallic paint job going on across the midsole, white bottoms. Got to be careful on the white bottoms for sure. Like, you feel me? But I'm super glad that I got these, man. And for that price, I got a steal. Aqua 8 kind of colorway on the sole. Yeah, these are very clean. I think these had sold out in a lot of stores, honestly. A lot of people grab these. Like, you feel me? OG colorway. I wasn't even trying to get them. Like, you feel me? I seen them in stores too. A couple stores. I think like Foot Locker on the day of release or the day after or the week after. I just passed. I looked at them. Grabbed them in hand, everything looked great. I was like, I just passed because I believe I'm gonna be able to find a deal on these one day, and I end up finding an amazing deal. Like, when you can find a sneaker like this retro for $135, you gotta jump on. I'm very happy with this sneaker, and like I said, man, if you can smell these, look, smell them, just smell them. You can smell these, man, you'll be going to buy a pair. But I'm so happy about this cop. Like, this was a steal. This was the steal of the year. But as far as quality, I give these definitely a 10 out of 10. As far as value, I give these. For what I paid, I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, at retail, $215. I mean, it's a cool sneaker, but I don't think it's worth $215. Like, I think you should pay below retail for these. Under retail, definitely double up. Like, for this price, I double up. If you pay resale, I'm gonna just be honest, you're an idiot. Like, you feel me? Don't be an idiot. You know, I ain't trying to call you an idiot, but I'm just saying, like, don't be stupid out here. Go under retail for these. Don't be an idiot. I think it's overall a very dope sneaker. The Jordan 8s are definitely dope and iconic. I'm glad to add these to the collection. If you like content like this, continue to follow for more.